Alright, we're going to continue with the rainforest area. Some Dipsis lanceolatas, a couple different forms. Got to keep cages around the suckers while they're small so the rabbits don't eat them. And then I can remove the cages eventually. Love the tea plants. Go down this way. Hedesepes in the cages, growing up so they don't become rabbit food. Dipsis anchisensis, whatever that is. Really fast growing clumping Dipsis. Came in as Ambocitra, but obviously is a O'Neillahensis baronii type. And it gets pretty sunny over here, so I thought on this little ridge I'd do a bank of Coccothrynax. So we'll step down here and I'll show you. I don't know what species they are, but I really like the Coccothrynax. And then a little baby Pseudorigida. Dipsis mahajanga, pretty slow growing so far, but Dipsis madagascarensis, the single trunk, really fast growing so far. We'll go back up this path. This is a double planting of Dipsis ambocitra, supposedly the real ambocitra. The one on the left here is trying to do a funky split thing, and it's, you know, looking funny in there. The one on the right is a lot taller because it's just single. But beautiful plant, fast growing. Some more tea plants. And a double planting of Dipsis plumosa. Planted them really close, and they don't really want to sway from each other at this point. They're just little parallel sticks. Big Mama, Roystonia born in Kenya. Up. Real tall now. Beautiful green crown shaft on this guy. And these are born in Kenya as well, which are making a little canopy for Dipsis carlsmithii. This one's doing real good. It's about 4.5 feet tall. There's one back there. There's a little baby down there. Liguala ramsey.